Now, without further ado, I'd like to welcome up Vince. He's a machine learning engineer, always on the lookout for the best cookie in New York City.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Vince Trost. I'm a machine learning engineer and one of the co-founders of Plastic Labs. And we're building infrastructure for more personalized AI agents. My talk is titled Agents Are Trash, because I think when we think of agents, we think of them as being these permanent, persistent things with identity. But then that makes sense because we're humans, and the only other agents we really know are also humans. This is my trainer, Stu. He has a whole life outside of just being my trainer, because human agents continue to exist when we're done working with them. But AI agents don't have lives outside of work. They aren't conscious beings, and they don't have a really good reason to exist beyond a task to be completed, except Wally met Eve, so he found love. But for the purposes of this talk, I'm going to define an agent as a system that can pursue a goal. But currently, these systems are built with large language models, and they need those goals defined by us. So if you weren't aware, large language models suffer from short-term memory loss. They don't actually remember anything about you as you use them. They're just generating the most probable response based on the context that you provide them. So that means that anything developers do to create some illusion of innate memory has to be constructed. And that construction is all about providing the language model with the appropriate context. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. These are things like instructions on how to complete a task, examples of successful outcomes, and any additional information that might be missing from the system. Which sounds like a lot, and it can be overwhelming, but I actually think it's fine. There is a lot of research that goes into what kind of context to provide language models in order to improve their responses. But I think it's beneficial for a number of very practical reasons that often get overlooked. The first of which is efficiency. Instead of agents sitting idle on computers waiting for instructions, resources and data can be provisioned on demand to assemble agents with the exact right context whenever you need it. This also creates a very modular and composable world. If agent developers can string together unique pieces, they can focus less on those things and more on their core service, which is super, super important here, because if agent developers are going to have an edge against the big players, they're going to need to pick a very specific task, and they're going to need to make sure that they're better at that specific task than the best general purpose models out there. The next reason I think this is beneficial is for privacy. You know how we as humans will often withhold information in order to avoid revealing too much about ourselves? We absolutely want to do this with language models because research has also shown how powerful their inferencing capabilities are. For example, if you are talking about your commute to work and you mention jug handles, they're going to effortlessly infer that you're driving in New Jersey, which is a pretty deep insight into your life. So combine that with thousands of other effortless but in-between-the-lines inferences, and you create like a trail of data that can be very dangerous and used adversarially against you. The other thing this addresses is it helps mitigate AI safety risk, in the sense that like if something does go wrong, it's contained to one user on one specific task, and that single inference can be systematically debugged. So to recap, assembling someone's identity just in time for inference allows you to include only the specific context that's immediately relevant and necessary for getting what you want, and that's beneficial for efficiency reasons and privacy reasons because then it just gets thrown away afterwards. So much like the advent of trading bots created an explosion of trading activity on stock markets, disposable AI agents will also create an explosion of economic activity in any market that can be addressed with language and code, which I'm not sure leads to utopia necessarily, but it should create a bunch of remarkable new kind of work for people to do. So, and I think that's going to be a very exciting future to live in. So if If building agents is something you're interested in, or the research around their construction, we're building things for agent developers at Plastic Labs, and I tweet about the concept a lot. So feel free to follow me or my company on Twitter. Thanks.